How to make your own face in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Roblox application. Then go to Avatar, go to Heads, go to Heads again. And from here you will be able to find different types of head. You just have to select it like this and you will be able to make your own face. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.